Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Let us learn some points about hydatid cyst. Hydatid cyst. Hydatid cyst is is a cystic form of Echinococcus granulosus. It almost forms three. It actually develops almost 3 weeks after infection. It develops 3 weeks after infection. This hydatid cyst, and the cyst wall of hydatid cyst contains two layers. So the cyst wall contains two layers. That is, it has ectocyst and the endocyst. In the cyst wall we have two layers. One is ectocyst and the second is endocyst. This is the cyst wall, which has an ectocyst, which is an outer gelatinous layer, and there is an endocyst also. This endocyst is the inner germinal layer which is present. Okay, it has cells also in the endocyst. Now we also have, surrounding this ectocyst and endocyst, we have pericyst, okay, which develops around the hydatid cyst. So this pericyst is actually a fibrous capsule. This pericyst is a fibrous capsule which develops around the hydatid cyst. This is actually derived from the host tissues. So this is pericyst. Okay, this is developed from the host tissues. Now, sometimes what happens is this hydatid cyst will burst or it will rupture, and it results in the formation of brood capsules, and scoliosis are also left in the peritoneal cavity, resulting in anaphylactic reaction. Second, one more important thing is, inside this hydatid cyst you will see that there is presence of brood capsules will be seen inside the hydatid cyst, with also hydatid fluid. So these brood capsules or scoliosis which are present in hydatid fluid is called as hydatid sand.
thank you and thank you for watching.